Today I'm going to cover how to use floating text fields in document and contract. First, go to Go High Level sub account, then click Payment link. It will open payment page. Next, click Documents and Contract menu. It will open Document and Contract menu page. In this page, you can see the New button. Then click New button. It will show New document and upload a PDF to option. If you want, you can create a new document from the scratch, or you can upload a PDF file. In this video, I already uploaded a PDF document. So I am going to show here existing record. Just click the existing record. It will open a new page. Here you can edit the template name. Then click plus symbol. Here you can see the fillable fields. Just to drag the field and place it in the relevant position of the document. Here I am putting it here. The Kochi place, we can enter the Kochi name. Then click again and drag the signature field. We can resize the field like this. Then click Get Fill. We can move these boxes using mouse, or you can use the shortcut keys like Shift plus arrow for recent movement. It will move slowly. Like this, it will move. If you wanted to move faster, then you can click Shift Control arrow. It will move faster. In this field, you can edit the placeholder. You can change this input value. You can change the format, date format here, date, month, year, and available dates also. You can select whichever the option you want. You can change it. Then here you can assign the then you can save the document. The document saved successfully. If you want, you can preview the document. There is a preview option also is there. Suppose if you wanted to send this document, just click this send button. When you click send button, it will open two links. One is send via email, another one is share via link. If you click send via email, document will be sent via email. If you click share via link, it will open a page where you can generate the link. Then you can copy the link and share it. I hope this video will be helpful. Thanks.